Hello, welcome to my object-oriented programming tutorial series. In this video, I will guide you through how to download the Wamp server and install that in your local machine. So what you have to do, open up your browser, type google.co.uk, and that will pop up. If you, in the search bar, type Wamp. When you start typing, it will bring up suggestions. So what you want to type is WAMP, W-A-M-P. Okay. When you type that, you will see that come up, and go ahead and select that. The first link that comes up is what you want to click. So click on that. All right. And then you can read the instructions like how to start and what all that. There are lots of information here how to install that as well. So it tells you what packages are installed in the Wamp server. Each release has Apache, MySQL, and PHP server, all in one file. Okay, so when you read all that instructions, it will tell you that first time once you install your Wamp server, it will create a 3Ws directory for you in the drive where you installed it. Okay. So inside that www is where you will start installing your web pages. But you create a folder in that folder, and that will be your web root. Okay, and then after you've read all that, you need to download Wamp server. Click on download. That pops up. Now you may at this stage you may be wondering what type to download. So you must download the type that is commensurate to the computer you are using. So the types are 64 bits and 32 bits. Okay, so if you don't know what bits you are after, all you have to do is to click the start button, bottom right corner of your screen. You see that computer, right click it, and then go on properties. When that properties come up, you will see it will tell you your system type. First you have your Windows edition, your system, and some other stuff you need to do. Now you have your system type, will tell you how many bits is your operating system. So like this one says 32-bit operating system. So when you see that, that means you know that you have to go and download the 32 bits. Okay, so once you've downloaded that, you save that in a folder of your choice, and you will have an icon like this. Okay, so when that comes up, you've saved it, and now all you need to do now to install it is to double click on that. When you double click, you will see this prompt that will ask you if you want to allow that or not. So you allow it, and then your installation starts. Okay, now your installation starts, right? What you have to do now is to click next button, and obviously if you want to install Wamp, you have to accept the agreement. You have to read all that if you want, or go ahead and accept the agreement. Then go ahead and click next. Here you have to specify the location where you want to install this server. It's usually stored in your C drive, but if you want to install it in a external drive, you can go ahead and browse to install in a external drive. So in this example, I will show you how to install it in an external drive. So click on that browse, and then choose the drive you want to install it. The drive I want to choose here is the E drive, which is my external drive. Okay, so I can take that drive with me anywhere I go, plug it to any computer. I've got my Wamp server with me and all the files in it. So go ahead and click that, select that. When you highlight it, click OK. And you can see now the drive has changed from C to E. Alright, go ahead and click next. And accept all that. These are your quick icon and for your desktop icons on that. You click that, and the next thing you have to do now is to install. From now, it will be automatic. So when you click install, you don't have to do anything now. All you have to do now is to wait and watch all that the installation process go through. Okay. So as it's installing, it'll be giving you some information what's happening. Okay. It will install all the files and folders for you. Everything at this stage is automatic. You don't have to do anything. You can go ahead, make yourself a cup of tea, and wait for the installation process to complete. Okay. To save you having to sit idle watching all this, well, I've got to pause this video, and then once this installation is complete, if it goes to another stage, I will continue from there. So I'll pause the video now while the installation is taking place. And so at this stage, the installation is still going on, but you can see it's gone up to about 70% or something like that. And all the installation is automatic, so it will install all your files you need for you. And once that is complete, it will ask this question: Firefox has been detected on computer. Would you like to use it as a default browser with Wamp server too? You can say yes or no, but if you say no, you have to specify the browser you want to use. So at this stage, for the sake of argument, just go ahead and say yes, right? And all you have to do now is wait for that installation to finish. And once that finishes, it will prompt to let you know that it's finished installation. Okay, and here you have your firewall, trying to block that. You can unblock it. Okay, you unblock that, click on block, and here at this stage, if you haven't set up your email and all that, you can go ahead and choose the default suggestion. Okay, but if you have your email and your domain name, you can put all that in here. But at this stage, for your practice, you can just leave that and save it as it is. Click next, and that's you complete. So it will now ask you if you want to launch Wamp server now. You can say maybe yes, leave the icon. Once you click the icon, it will launch. And at this stage, when you click that allow, it will launch your icon for you. Alright, so let me pause this video and show you. Okay, so after installation and you have successfully installed your Wamp, there's this icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. See, when you put your mouse over there, it will say Wamp server offline. Okay, so go ahead and left click that icon, and then you will see all this here. So at this stage, what you want to do is to click on localhost. Once you've done that, you will see, that's what you will see. Okay, so now you got your localhost, and obviously you have not got any files yet. All right. So at this stage now, if you try to go to my PHP my admin, which is what you use to create your database and database tables. All right. So when you click that, that's what it will pop up and load for you. Okay. So when that happens, it will take some time, because the first time you are loading it, it will take some time to load. Okay. You see? So now this is what happens here. Sorry. This is what happening when you start that Wamp the first time. You will see this configuration warning. So what I will do, I will take you how to do this from the next video. Alright, so I will stop here and then show you how to do that. Because let me minimize that. Because this is what's happening here. It says you have not set up a password for your root with no password. And there's a security issues regarding that. So what I will do here, I will stop this video. In the next video, I will show you how to remove that, or how to create a password for your root user. Okay? Alright, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.